for presidential address. Sir, please come forward and bless up with motivational words.
Good morning. And in this auspicious day, I am honored to be present here, and I like to share my honor with the budding sisters, teachers, and the guardians of the Government College of Nursing. The light lamp, the lighting. So the responsibility of the budding nurses, sisters, is to remove the darkness, to be by the side of the patients for their treatment, for their care, and to remove their discomfort. দেহ প্রাণ, এই কথাটাও কিন্তু একইভাবে প্রযোজ্য।
This auspicious beginning, as the lamp's light will continue to radiate throughout the day.